channel. My name is Danielle, and this is going to be a super easy video on how to make 2-ingredient lemon tea. So as you can see, the 2 ingredients that you need are tea bags and a lemon drink mix. So all you do is add about 10 tea bags to a large bowl, and mine are connected and they're already tagless, so I don't have to even worry about taking off the tags. And you can tell my bowl has been used many times to make tea, which is why it's basically dyed brown on the inside, but it's all good. So yeah, I'm just filling the bowl up with water, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Once the tea is done, you can either let it steep for as long as you like to make it really strong, or you can go ahead and drain the tea bags and make your tea with it right away. I don't like my tea like super strong, so if I let it steep, it'll only be for about 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour my tea into a gallon sized container. This recipe will make a full gallon of tea. If you want less, you can always make less. Now you're gonna add your drink mix, and I'm using the pitcher packs. So these are a larger pack of the drink mix versus using the individual ones that you would put in like a 16-ounce water bottle. So in order to make a gallon of tea, it takes 1.5 of the pitcher packs. So I just kind of use my finger to mark off half of one, and then I pour that in. And because I was running out of Crystal Light, I used 1 full Crystal Light and then half of the Aldi brand Fit and Active lemonade pack. And in my opinion, 1.5 packs is the perfect amount to flavor and sweeten the tea. And then you want to shake it up to melt all of the granules so that you don't end up with any powderiness in your tea. And the last step is just to fill it the rest of the way with water. I mean, you could do all tea if you wanted to, but you know, it's up to you. So go ahead and give it one final shake, and that's it. This is how you make some perfectly delicious lemon tea. This is keto friendly. It doesn't really have any calories. It is really good, and you would never be able to tell the difference. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know. Give this video a like if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.